How to review when your registration period begins. First, visit our website at www.chaffey.edu. Next, click My Chaffey Login at the top of the page towards the middle. From this page, log into your My Chaffey portal using your login credentials. You are now on the My Chaffey portal homepage. From here, click on Self-Service Registration. It is located under the Launchpad under the left side of the page. You are now on the Self-Service Registration homepage. From here, click on Student Planning. It is located from the options in the middle of the page. Next, click Go to Plan and Schedule. It is located on the right side of the page under Plan Your Degree and Register for Classes. By default, you'll be sent to the current semester's schedule. To view when your registration period begins for the next semester, click the Show the Next Term arrow. It is located on the left side of the current semester under the Schedule, Timeline, Advising, Petitions and Waivers header. The registration appointment is just beneath the semester. Let's review a few reasons a registration appointment will not appear. First, the registration appointments have not been released. The academic calendar can be used to find out when they will be available to view. Second, there is no current college application on file. Third, high school students have not submitted their dual enrollment agreement for the current semester. Fourth, your registration appointment is active. Fifth, open registration is in effect because of all the registration periods for the different types of classes have started. Another way to verify if you have a registration appointment is by accessing the My Chaffey portal homepage. Then, click My Spring Registration Appointment under the Quick Links section in the middle of the page on the far right. Your registration appointment will be available under the registration date and time header on the left side of the page. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Additional tutorials are available in the Online Support Center on the Chaffey homepage. If you need additional assistance, please schedule an appointment with the counselor today.